Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. We are in the hotel room and the main focus here is on our indoor 140L KNX, which is a true multi-talent. In our case, we have mounted it to the left and right of the bed, so that the nightlight can be switched on by movement. This makes it easy to find the way to the bathroom at night without waking up the person on the other side of the bed. If the main light is needed, it is possible to switch on the lighting via the upper push button. The light goes out again either after follow-up time or after the button is pressed again. It is possible to assign the two push buttons differently via programming in the ETS. We have programmed the lower push button for roller shutter control so that the roller shutter can be opened and closed with it. The device can also measure the temperature in the room and output it to the bus. The same applies to the brightness value.